My name is Maritza Mejia. I'm one of the nurses from biomedical training. I began my career with a biomedical training in New York City as a student. It had a profound impact on my life, igniting my passion for aesthetics. In biomedical training, and Dr. Cosentino have played a pivotal role in helping me realize my aspirations in the aesthetic domain. This renowned training institute has equipped me with the essential knowledge, skills, and support to excel in this competitive arena. This multifaceted approach was a game changer for me in establishing a prosperous aesthetic practice. They instill effective marketing strategies, patient acquisition methods, and techniques to form a formidable brand presence. These entrepreneurial skills have enabled me to professionally market my services through a consistent clientele and boost my revenue. Thanks to Empire Medical Training, I have turned my aesthetics passion into a rewarding career. The aesthetics field is a perpetual flux, with continual emergence of new techniques and technologies. Remember, to distinguish yourself in the competitive landscape requires dedication, perpetual education, and unwavering commitment to rendering exceptional care to patients. Only you can be a trendsetter, shaping the future for years to come.